He might offer something to me.
I can't tell you the reason why. I can't tell you why I'm going to call up Whisper. I can only tell you that I believe that he's one of the best 23 players.
Mm-hmm. You think Mr. Butler?
Greetings, coach.
Hey, what's up? You
You know,
can't call me Mr. Butler anymore. You have to call me Proud Coach.
Proud coach. Yeah, man. You're supposed to be, filled with pride right now. And we've been calling people. We're excited. We give him about 30 minutes of the show. Let's talk about how the kid, I take him opportunity. How you feel?
Yeah, man, I'm very proud. It's very one thing with Phoenix players. They've never let me down. If I talk it, them walk it, boy. From Leon, Kyle, all of them when them a play, and now Whisper gone to another level.
oh
Mm.
yeah. So Mr. Butler, we're glad to get you on. We see Whisper make a post on Instagram the other day. I'm saying goodbye to Phoenix. Give us some insight into that. What that mean?
Yes, so the man I go to England now.
Right now, well, we know say I go Chicago right now. That's the way I go after that.
I must say preseason for Chelsea is in the US.
Okay, so Whisper gonna
And,
be a part of the Chelsea
Gold Cup.
preseason.
And that's right after Gold Cup.
Mm.
And then he might just stay with the Chelsea squad there in after.
Yeah, because what happened is also the rules have changed dramatically. Um, in England. Have you been following that?
But then I still haven't heard anything about
What's
the
the
rule
update?
change.
Yeah, you don't. The caps and all of those things, and I think they're dropping the age to 17
Mm.
Mm.
where a player can sign. So it's yeah, it's a lot of positive things happening. It's just his being emotional because he's leaving. He has never been away from us for that long. He's been with us for 7 years now, and to be away for 2 months straight, and starting the journey, the next step of your journey. You're going into national team now. You're going into preseason. You're moving to the next level. So it's not that he's leaving Phoenix in terms of his heart and him love and everything. It's just the
100%.
same as him has stepped to the next level now. So when him come and train at Phoenix again, it will be just really catch up, or if like when Leon comes and I'm doing some work with him to sharpen him up or something.
So you work with Leon Bailey this little break him get?
Always.
So Leon and Whisper on the same national team together. How that gonna make you feel when you see that?
Well, it's really proud. I mean, it wanted it to be Leon and Kyle, wanted it to be Kemar Reed, wanted it to be, you know, um, Jackson, wanted it to be all of those players that had the quality. And the truth of it is now that all of this came to the forefront. I remember there was a particular show that I tear off my shirt in defense of Whisper. And a man was saying that such man was saying that a player was better than Whisper. And that Whisper not at the level and him this and that. Today is a different story. So of course you're going to be super proud. I feel vindicated.
I bet.
Question. I'm sure you talk to the kid. How is he feeling? What's his perspective going into the Gold Cup? Is he just there to, soak it up, take the experience, or he want to get on the pitch and score some goal and feel like he's ready? How him feel?
You do realize this Whisper we're talking about, right?
Me know, man, but at the same time, this is a level up.
The funny thing is when Whisper first went to train with Leon, because when Leon comes home, usually the training with us, right?
Yeah.
And the
Mm-hmm.
best of the best at Phoenix, maybe the top 8 players will get a chance to train with him.
Hmm.
And I tell you, even then, Whisper was being competitive,
Mm.
you know? So all Whisper going to do, I don't think there's anybody on the planet more competitive than Whisper and Leon. So them going
Well,
to
I
push one another.
I know that Dujuan is very competitive.
Correct.
Leon is worse. Leon is worse. Leon is worse. Leon will compete with you for everything. If you play domino, Leon not stop the games until he win. You
And
understand?
oftentimes that is a common trait in really successful athletes. Like they're
And
just,
actors and
yeah,
people on a
they're
whole.
just obsessed with winning. It's something I like to say. Who for right wing spot though? Cause remember you say, and Liam Bailey right wing spot till him not want it. I think we spot something to say about that in a few.
Maybe they might have to start. Maybe they have to start play with Phoenix, play with two right winger.
Wait name, wait name.
Domino 6, the two wingers. All that really is if you look at how Manchester City play right now, them not use the wing back either.
Manchester City.
Well, them play with inverted wing backs.
Inverted in boxes.
So
Okay,
them
what
still
that
use
mean?
Kyle Walker and Rico Lewis.
They're essentially midfielders with
I
ball.
can't see, yeah.
Exactly. So what does that mean? When you look on the wings, what you see? You see one play out there, you see two.
No,
Don't
you
they
double
double
up on
up?
you double up on the right side. That's how they play. I
Okay.
understand. No, but
So
to be fair, when they're defending, you have a play out.
eh?
Me I said to be fair, when you're defending, you have a play out there, but going forward, it's essential when them double up.
Of course you're gonna have to have a play out there because they going come back. One going slap, one going slide. But that what I'm saying is if you have that firepower, you adjust your team. Plus remember the man is really the man now. The man. So
It's supposed to be
Chippy
the man.
the man who run the show. And when he's on the wing,
Yeah.
the right wing, or if he plays them, if I were him, I'd just give Chippy free roam to go anywhere go across the line, the double up, like how they play. They go both sides of the wings and him double up. You know.
What do you think about this? I would play Liam Bailey as one of the forwards and give him a supporting striker role. I swear, put him in front of the goal and give him a more creative role than a wide role.
But that's something that Leon has played. He played that for Genk when he was at U17. He played at Leverkusen already. He played at Aston Villa. It's not something new to him. But at the same time, I mean, that right wing position is owned by Leon Bailey. It is owned by Leon Bailey. And Whisper can play right wing, can play left wing, can play center forward, can play attacking midfield. And Leon can do the same. So if you just free them up, say, listen, you have a free reign, all you need to do is work with the role. So if you're on the right side, that is the role you're going to execute. If you find yourself on a corner kick, you find yourself out on the left side, execute that role and a switch. The free role, like how Phoenix play. You ever see how Phoenix play?
What do you think about Whisper, especially for this being his debut tournament, being more of an impact player coming off the bench with 10 to 15 minutes to go? Do you think he'll thrive in a role like that, which I think is the role that he'll probably be thrusted into for this
about
tournament?
10 to 15 minutes, because you need them on the pitch longer. But I don't think that 10 to 15 minutes would be enough because we want to see more of him. And I just think that you can look here. I am not the coach. The coach makes his decisions, right? All I can do is do my best to give the coach the best talents that I can build and give him whatever support I can. I'm sure it's up to him to make the decisions. Up to him to tweak his players. He is the chess player in this game.
Yeah.
He's out there playing the chess game, and it's up to him to win. We have given him good pieces, So another foreign, one of them.
It ain't no location. Can't give a location on the internet, man.
No, but you know what me I say. Another about.
No, we're not about.
No, we're not about.
All right. Make sure not behave on yourself up there and stay out of trouble,
That's right.
Sometimes a little trouble is
Boy,
good.
sometimes I stay at trouble and trouble finding.
No, you know all the trouble in them places. Them places, you know, a little trouble, it take you a long time for deal with it.
You
So
know that
let's try
thing.
behave with a little sense.
Mr. Butler,
Don't
big
worry
sense
about it.
to Mr. Butler. But but as me I say, we both wrap up the live, but Mr. Butler, stick around afterwards.
All right, man. Cool.
So wrap it up. Welcome on the 2 hour man.
Yeah, people, if you like the live, you know, we're going to power. You give me a power. We're going to double O, you see me?
Yeah.
Good talk, bro. We cover the squad, we cover the coach, we cover the 2 friendlies, we cover the Gold Cup. People, I think Jamaica have a really good shot of winning this Gold Cup. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Stay tuned, like the video, comment, subscribe. Do one more thing for us, no.
Yes, sir, it's time to die.
Yeah, alright.
But yeah, people, share the video to at least 10 people to ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day? Before we go, somebody said Trivantes Stewart should be in this squad at least. I don't think so.
We're gonna address it. Leave it. Leave it, bro. I have an idea. Leave it.
I'll make a video.
Yeah, leave it. We're gonna make a video and address it.
Alright, people, thank you so much for tuning in. Big up to God for the super chat. We really appreciate it. I will see you guys again very, very soon.
Man. This is how that's supposed to be.
Out.